I was born here. Then when I was like 1.5, mom sent me to Ghana because she was going through school and she could. It's not she couldn't take care of me. It was just sending me to Ghana would be easier. So she sent me to Ghana to go live with my grandma and my grandpa. And I came back here when I was 5 to go to kindergarten.
When you came, were you speaking Tree or not?
Yeah, I was fluent in Tree.
How fluent?
Very, I didn't even know English like that.
Wow.
I told my mom I didn't want to speak Tree anymore, and she just listened. And I lost on my Tree over the years, though.
Do you wish she didn't listen?
Yeah, I wish she did. I don't know why she listens. Like, she doesn't listen to anything I say. I don't know.
Oh my God, that's funny.
Yeah.
But what have you got to say about this project that I'm doing?
I think it's good. I think tree awareness is very important, especially for us